iPad kid cough. That's the worst. The kids that cough like they have that like pursed lip look. They're trying to close their mouth when they cough because their mom yells at them when they don't close it, but they haven't developed the motor skills yet. So they're just like it's a 40-year-old man cough? I don't, you want me to sound like a 10-year-old boy coughing? Get the fuck out of here, you fucking creep.